All right, gang, welcome to the video. I've got the Ravemen. They sent me out a light to review. I've used some of their product in the past, not been too bad. Black light for daytime or nighttime riding. So let's check it out. What's the backs here? We have run time, decent run time for a smallish battery, smallish thing. So the low, we're going to get about 7.5 at 250. So yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. And we've got here USB-C charging, nice. USB-C is just a good setup. So the 1100 lumens is about 1.8 hours, so it's pretty good. For such a small setup, that's pretty fair, I reckon. Let's bust it out of the packet and see what we got here. Straight away, this mounting system, I like, because it's pretty durable and it doesn't render the light useless. So I do prefer different systems, but this is not bad either. Let's go check it out. Hang on. So this is interesting. It has a setup where you put it into your Brighton or whatever, and then you can put your head unit on top of it, piggyback. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. All right, so you can piggyback off your thing, and then you can also charge, apparently. You can charge your device, if it's one of these bad boys, off the battery. Let's check that out. It will charge. You can see that it's charging, but this Brighton won't be too compatible because it won't be able to sit on top of it. So if it had a port down the bottom there, you'd be good to go. But yeah, it's not a function I'd probably use too much, but that's cool. That's cool that you could use it as a bit of a battery for your stuff. But this is a cool setup. This will mean it will take up less handlebar space. So that's cool. I like that. Durable metal alloy, replaceable mount there. We like that. And yeah, you got some mounts here of stuff. So this is really interesting stuff. Random. Let's see the brightness of it. All right, so here we go. We'll take our little head unit off. But this is cool. This is this is pretty cool, man. In terms of real estate, I like that. That's something different. Oh, here we go. So we've got some light functions here. Right, here we go. Turn my little headlamp off here. So it's decent. So you got some decent visibility here. I'm feeling it. This is cool. And then it's just off like that. Boom. So just a Garmin mount, and you're good to go. Wow. Not a bad little light from Ravemen. Yeah, nice. So the instructions, here's an instruction sheet. We're using the light as a thing. So instruction sheet, pretty clear. Takes about 2.2 hours to charge it. It's about 2.2 hours to charge it. So again, with these lights, they can get very, very hot. So make sure you take care of your storage, etc. Yeah. So the instructions are good, they're clear. We like that. So that's what I recommend as another option in the light category. If it's sort of something that vibes with you, it's yeah, that gets very hot. Okay, so they can get very warm. So be careful with any of these high powerful lights, man. High power lights, 1000 lumen. They can get very, very hot. So make sure that you are wary of that. And what I like about this, another thing I like about this light, which I see in the noggin stuff, is you just give it a flick, and it will just tells you if it's green, it's got 40 to 100% charge. Yellow needs to charge. Red needs really, really to charge. So that's a cool function. Yeah, USB-C, can't go wrong with that. Strong mounts, replaceable, we like that. Strong durability, compact. Yeah, got a little loop there. Cool. And it comes with some different mounts as well. So that's interesting. A GoPro style mount as well, if you want to run that. Personally, I just run sort of this setups, but yeah, options. So there's the GoPro mount. So you put it under your bars if you're going to run a GoPro system. That's very simple. It just clicks in like that. So yeah, so this is a well designed product. Ravemen FR1100.